away. What are the characters, the important characters of the Fabaceae family?
Sir, the stem may be erect or longer stem.
Not general characters, important characters of the Fabaceae family. Presence of root nodules, that is
Yes, sir.
root
Presence
nod,
of
yes, presence of root nodules. Pulvinous regarding the leaf base,
pulvinous leaf base.
pulvinous leaf base, pulvinous leaf base is present.
Vexillary estivation.
Vexillary estivation, very good. Vexillary estivation in Coralla. And the stamens, regarding the stamens. Now, today we will discuss about the remaining characteristics of Fabaceae family. Okay, flowers, are they actinomorphic or zygomorphic or they asymmetric in Fabaceae family?
Zygomorphic.
Zygomorphic.
Zygomorphic, very good. How many sepals are there? Now, what is the type of
Five.
inflorescence? 5 sepals, very good.
Racemose.
Estivation,
Vexillary estivation.
in calyx, the estivation is
Imbricate or valvate.
Imbricate or valvate.
very good. Very good. The inflorescence in Fabaceae family,
Racemose, acropetalod.
racemose type of the inflorescence, very good. Racemose type of the inflorescence. The standard petal is located towards in Fabaceae family. The standard petal
Posterior.
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 Yes, fine.
Yes. Keel petals are located towards
Anterior.
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 Enclosing pistil and carpel.
Which petal-
Pistil and stamen.
Yes. Which petals are the fused in
Keel
corolla?
petals.
Keel petals. Right. What are the main parts of the flower? Calyx, corolla, androecium,
Androecium and gynoecium.
androecium and gynoecium. I'd rather twig, one of the twig of Pisum sativum. Pisum sativum is the scientific name of
Pea plant.
pea plant. Pea plant. The arrangement of the leaves in Fabaceae family. How the leaves are arranged in Fabaceae family. Which type of phyllite type we use?
Alternate.
Alternate phyllite type. Very good. Where the leaves are formed?
Knots region.
Not really.
Very good. Which petals are fused in corolla?
Keel petals.
Heel petals.
Candid petal.
Have you drawn this diagram? It's completed.
Yes, sir.
What about this? Is it completed or not?
One minute, sir. Writing.
Okay.
Sir, can you move a bit aside?
Is it visible clearly?
Sir, in first diagram, what is that last word, sir?
First diagram, huh?
Yes, sir, down one.
This one.
Sir, that left.
Twig.
Left twig.
Twig, sir.
Yes, twig.
Sir, what is that, sir?
So the small part of the Pisum sativum plant that consists of the few number of leaves. It means the not a complete plant, not a complete plant. So that one segment of the one part of the plant body consists of the few leaves.
Sir, like branch.
Yes, it's a branch also, branch or terminal region of the plant, stem, terminal region of the stem. Okay, it's a part of the stem or branch.
Sir, in cholera part, the standard petal is also fused, no, sir?
Standard petal not fused, that's large in size. This is one petal. It's one petal. One petal. Next, these are the two petals, wings petals, and two are the keel petals. It's still 5 petals are there.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Completed? Is it completed or not? The second diagram.
Yes, sir.
First one is lower now.
Over.
Yes, 3. How many petals are there in corolla? 5 petals are there. One is standard petal, 2 wings petals, and 2 keel petals. The standard petal is located towards the which direction? Posterior. Posterior. Keel petals towards the anterior side. Anterior side. Which petals are the fused in corolla?
Keel petals.
Keel petals. So what is the name of that corolla? How it appears? That corolla appears like a butterfly shape.
Pollinaceous.
Papilionaceous. Papilionaceous corolla. Right. Papilionaceous corolla is present in which family?
Fabaceae.
Fabaceae family. Fabaceae family. What is the estivation? The name of the estivation?
Vexillary.
Maxillary.
Maxillary estivation. Right. So last week already we have discussed about that sepals and next the
Petals.
petals. Right. Next androecium. The androecium is consist of the 10 stamens. Ten stamens are there. Among these 10 stamens, the 9 stamens of the filaments united to form one bundle, and the remaining stamen is forms the another bundle. Didelphous stamens in Fabaceae family. What are the parts of stamen? Already you know, you have learned about the parts of stamen. The stamen is consist of the anther and the filament.
Filament.
Yes. Anther and the filament. Here I drawn how many stamens?
9.
9 stamens, right? So it's the filament, stalk of the end, the stalk of the stamen is called a filament. So these filaments are united, fused to form one bundle. Form one bundle. The filaments of the stamens are united, fused to form one bundle. And the remaining, the one stamen forms the next bundle. So in Fabaceae family, the stamen androecium is this is one
Diadelphous.
bundle and second bundle, right?
Diadelphous.
Androecium is the Diadelphous. Very good. Diadelphous. Diadelphous. Diadelphous stamen. In hibiscus,
Monodelphous.
Monodelphous.
Monodelphous. So there in hibiscus, Rosa sinensis, China rose plants flowers, the stamens, filaments are united
One
to
bundle.
form one bundle, monoadelphous stamens. Whereas in diadelphous stamens, in Fabaceae family, the diadelphous stamens seen in Fabaceae family, in diadelphous stamens, the two bundles are present. So the number of bundles in diadelphous stamens. Option 1 is 1, option 2 is 2, option 3 is more than 2, option 4 is none of these.
Sir, option 2. 2.
Sir, option 2.
Very option 2 is the correct.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, bundles means consisting of more than two stamens, no, sir?
Stamens number is more.
Sir, group of stamens is known as bundle, no, sir?
Group of stamens known as androecium. The androecium that may be free or fused. Androecium is maybe free. The stamens, the filaments are maybe free or fused. Here I drawn how many stamens in androecium?
Sir, more
Five.
than one stamen unite to form bundle, no, sir?
Yes, more the several stamens are there in a flower. The several stamens of the filaments are united to form a bundle. If the one bundle is formed,
Sir, here only one stamen, no, sir? It will form bundle, sir.
one bundle.
Sir, here only one stamen will form one bundle, no, sir? How, sir?
Right here, this is considered as one bundle, no? The 9 stamens, filaments. 9 stamens, filaments are fused to form one bundle, and the remaining stamen, it's the filament, it forms the one bundle. So the both the edges of the filament are fused. Suppose it's a filament of the, and this is one edge and the other edge, both the edges. Both the edges of the filaments are fused to form one bundle.
Yes, sir.
9 stamens filaments are fused to form one bundle, and remaining one is forms one bundle. So diadelphous stamen. Diadelphous means the two bundles are present. Polyadelphous in some of the plant species, the stamens filaments are united to form several bundles. That's polyadelphous. Already you know
Stem
the
form
examples.
one bundle, sir.
Polyadelphous. Yes, Luna?
Sir, one stamen can form one bundle, sir.
Yes, that's in not in all the plant species. It's some of the plant species. The like as in Fabaceae family, the nine of the among the 10 stamens, the nine of the stamens are forms one bundle, and the other one is forms the next one.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Good
among
study.
two
You're welcome.
bundles, sir, among two
Among the
bundles,
two,
which is
which
steminoid?
is
Steminoid.
staminoid,
Staminode, sir.
Yes, sir.
staminode.
Stamina.
Staminode is that's in some of the plants only, not in all the plants. In pea plants, all the stamens of the anther produces able to produce pollen grains,
Fertile stamen.
fertile stamens.
So in most of the bisexual flowers, all stamens are fertile stamens, no, sir?
Generally, in most of the plant species, the flowers, all the stamens are able to produce the pollen grains.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Staminode is already have given example that staminode. Staminode means the sterile stamen is called staminode. In acacia, that's few of the stamens are not able to produce the pollen grains. In acacia plant, the few of the stamens do not produce the pollen grains. So sterile stamens are called as staminodes.
Sir, Acacia belong to which family, sir?
Cisalpinaceae. Cisalpinaceae, yes, Leguminosaceae, Mimosaceae. These are the similar. These are in earlier, all these earlier in some of the classification, Leguminosaceae, Cisalpinaceae, and Mimosaceae. So these subfamilies placed in one family, later separated individual.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, that is not for us, no, sir.
Which one?
Sir, that Acacia which belongs to which family?
Casey, not there in
You
syllabus.
also write that family name, sir.
Acacia planta.
So what you said family, that family name.
Cisalpinaceae. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Cisalpinaceae. Acacia.
Sir, Mimosaceae means Mimosa pudica.
Yes, that's very good. That's one of the example. Mimosa pudica plant is belongs to Mimosaceae.
Okay, sir.
Right. How many bundle stamens? Didelphous stamen is seen in which family?
Fabaceae.
Fabaceae.
Fabaceae family. Didelphous stamen. Which of the following are the important characters of the Fabaceae family? Option one is root nodules. Option two is pulvinous leaf base. Option three is Papilionaceous corolla. Papilionaceous corolla. And Diadelphus. Diadelphus stamens. Option 4 is all of the above.
All of the above, sir.
Yes, all of the above. Presence of root nodules in root system, very good. Fourth option is the correct answer. Presence of the root nodules, important, all these points important for objective point of view. The presence of root nodules, pulvinous leaf veins, papilionaceous corolla or maxillary corolla, diadelphous stamens. The androecium is forms the diadelphous stamens, 2 bundles. So all of the above, fourth option is the correct answer. In the anther, how many lobes are present?
2 lobes.
2 lobes. Right.
Dithecus anther.
Dithecus anther. Dithecus. Two lobes are there. So presence of 2 lobes, Dithecus. Dithecus means the anther is consist of the 2 lobes. So what are the characteristics of androecium? The androecium is consist of the 10 stamens. The 10 stamens, among the 10 stamens, the 9 are united to form one bundle, and the other one is forms the next bundle. The 9 plus 1, that's such type of arrangement is called as the 9 plus 1 arrangement. Among the 10 stamens, 9 stamens filaments are united and the another one is free. That's called as 9 plus 1. Androecium is represented as denoted as androecium. Please message yes, very good. Capital A. So A 9 plus 1. Within bracket, 9 should be there in a bracket. So this bracket indicates that. Let's indicate.
Fused.
Yes, fused. Yes, the fused 9 plus 9 stamens, filaments are fused, and another one is free. Androecium is consist of 10 stamens. Among the 10 stamens, 9 are fused, and the remaining one is the free. So this arrangement is called 9 plus 1 arrangement. So 9 plus 1 androecium. A 9 plus within bracket 9 plus 1 androecium is present in family. Option 1 is Brassicaceae. Option 2 is Solanaceae. Option 3 is Liliaceae. Option 4 is
Fabaceae.
Fabaceae. What is the answer for this question? Please message me answer.
Option 4 Fabaceae.
Option
Very
4
good.
Fabaceae.
Option 4 is the correct option.
Sir, A 9 plus 1 indicates that 2 bundles are in different walls, sir.
Yes, different whores. That's 9 are arranged in one whore. 9 plus 1. Okay, is it clear now? Right. Next, what is the next part of the
Gynoecium.
gynoecium?
Gynoecium.
Stamens syngenesis, sir.
Stamens,
Syngenesis.
Not clear.
Sir, if stamens are fused, then what we call, sir? The technical term is the stamens are fused. Like here.
Stamens are fused adelphi.
Adelphus.
Yes, adelphi. Adelphi is various types now. That's mono adelphus, diadelphus,
Polyadelphus.
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 Polyadelphus, yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Gynoecium. The gynoecium is consist of one carpel. How many carpels are there in a gynoecium?
One monocarpellary.
Yes, one carpel. So one carpel is present. The gynoecium is called as. Already learned about the types of the
Monocarpellary.
gynoecium. So based on the number of carpels, gynoecium is differentiated into monocarpellary and a multicarpellary gynoecium. Monocarpellary gynoecium is consist of one carpel. Multicarpellary gynoecium consists of more than one carpel. Yes. So gynoecium is consist of monocarpellary. Monocarpellary gynoecium. One carpel is present. And this monocarpellary gynoecium, one locule is present. The ovarian cavity is called as locule. It's a unilocular. Unilocular.
So uni means single, no, sir?
Yes, no, single. Unilocular. Suppose in some of the plants, flowers, the two chambers are the two locules in a ovary. Bilocular. Right, in some of the plants species, the trilocular.
Tomato.
Sir, is Gynoecium is sign genesis, sir?
Personal.
There is Gynoecium in sign genesis.
Gynoecium.
Is sign genesis?
Syngenaceous.
Yes, sir.
Syngenaceous means the stamens, the anthers are fused with the stigma.
Epigymus.
That is position of the ovary. Here the stamens are fused with the stigma. That's not. So that is varies. In some of the plant species, the filaments of the stamens are fused. In some of the plant species flowers, the stamens of the filaments anthers are fused. In some of the plant species, the stamens are fused with the gynoecium. So it's not there in the syllabus. It's not required.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So the number of carpels varies. Okay, how many carpels are present?
Monocarpellary. One.
Monocarpellary.
One.
Yes, one.
Monocarpillary.
The number of carpels. The number of carpels in Gynoecium of Fabaceae family. Option 1, 1. Option 2, 2. Option 3, 3. Option 4, 4. The number of carpels in
Option 1.
one. Option 1. Option 1 is the correct answer. The number of carpels in Gynoecium of Brassicaceae family. Already we have like a very good Tanisha. That's two carpels. Two carpels. Two carpels are there. Okay, two carpels are there in the Gynoecium of Brassicaceae family. So the number of locules are varies. Unilocular means one locule, one cavity, one chamber is present. Bilocular means 2. Trilocular means 3. Tetralocular, pentalocular. So the cavities, chambers number is varies depending upon the types of plants flowers. In a Fabaceae family, the Gynoecium is consist of the one carpel means monocarpellary. One chamber is present, that is unilocular, and volutes, where the volutes are attached. The volutes are attached. What is the placentation? Already have learnt about the types of placentation. Marginal placentation. Very good. Marginal placentation. Marginal placentation. So monocarpellary, unilocular, marginal placentation, and Bovary is superior.
Hypogynous.
Yes, hypogynous.
Sir, in Brassicaceae also superior overiness.
Yes, no, superior role in Brassicaceae.
Okay, sir.
Brassicaceae parietal placentation.
Yes, that's parietal
Parietal
placentation.
placentation.
Placentation is different, and that's falsetum is formed, bilocular. But here in monocarpellary, that is two carpels are present in Brassicaceae family flowers. The Gynoecium is consist of the two carpels, two locular. The placentation is parietal, whereas in the Fabaceae family, the Gynoecium is consist of one carpel, unilocular. Then it's what is the placentation in Fabaceae family? Marginal placentation.
Sir, all the families are having superior ovary, right, sir?
All the families?
Of plants are having superior ovary.
No. That's in which family?
Like
All the families?
Solanaceae, Liliaceae, Fabinaceae.
In
all of them.
Solanaceae family, the flowers. That's hypogynous, superior vowel. In Liliaceae family, the flowers are hypogynous. As per
Yes,
NCERT,
sir, that all
given-
are.
yes, as per NCERT, the given families, the individual characters of the Fabaceae, Solanaceae, and Liliaceae, and the few characteristics of the Brassicaceae family. Superiors. Over.
Yes.
Right. Floral formula and floral diagram and fruit, the characters. How many? What is the flower? Nature of the flower? Is it actinomorphic or zygomorphic flower in Fabaceae family?
Zygomorphic.
Zygomorphic.
Yes. Flowers are zygomorphic. Flowers are zygomorphic. Are they bisexual? Both androecium and gynoeciums are present in your flower? Same
Yes,
flower?
sir. Bisexual.
Bisexual.
Yes, sir, bisexual.
Very good. Yes. Calyx is consist of how many sepals?
5 sepals.
5.
5 sepals. 5 sepals. Very good. The 5 sepals in 5 sepals are
Fused.
fused. Fused valvate estivation. Corolla is consist of how
2
many
plus
petals?
2 plus 1.
Uh,
5
among
petals,
these,
but 2 plus.
yes, one is
Two are
largest
fused.
petal. 2 are free, 2 are fused. C 1 plus 2 plus 2 means one standard petal free, two wings petals free, two keel petals are fused with each other. So corolla is denoted as a C alphabet. Corolla is consist of 5 petals. Among these 5 petals, one is the largest petal, that is 1, and 2. The next numerical is represents the 2 lateral petals, wings petals, and the next 2 within bracket it indicates that the 2 fused petals, keel petals. So see 1 plus 2 plus 2 within bracket. And androecium is denoted as a
9 plus 1. 9 is fused.
yeah,
9
very
of
good. 9 within bracket, 9 plus 1. Gynoecium is consist of
superior
Superior.
ovary.
superior ovary. Superior.
1 carpel.
Yes, one. How many corners are there?
Only one.
Yes, one corpel is there. Okay, floral formula. The floral formula for this is flowers are zygomorphic, bisexual. Calyx is consist of the 5 sepals, fused, valvate estivation in some of the plants' flowers. In some of the plants' flowers, the calyx is exhibit that
Imbricate.
Yes. And corolla is consist of the 5 petals. Corolla is a papilionaceous. Here the number of petals 5, 1 plus 2 plus 2 within bracket. Androecium is consist of the 10 stamens. Among the 10 stamens, 9 are fused and
Yes.
remaining one is free. Next, gynoecium is consist of 1 carpel, monocarpellary gynoecium, superior.
Sir, in
This-
NCERT diagram, they have given only valvate estivation, sir.
Yes, Pisum sativa. What is the given diagram as per NCERT?
Pisum sativum.
Pisum sativum. The Pisum sativum is the scientific name or biological name of the pea plant.
Pea plant.
Yes.
Sir, can
Yes.
we interchange this fused two keel petals can become in first, no, sir? Can we write like that, sir? Or in arrangement we should write?
No. First we have to consider the largest petal. Then the posterior side, largest petal.
We can't interchange, sir.
Yes, we can't interchange. That we have to consider. The one standard petal. Two lateral petals. Two keel petals. Keel petals are fused or small in size. So that's why you have to consider this is the largest petal, 1, and 2, the wings petals, lateral side of the free, and whereas the 2 keel petals are fused with each other. Standard petal. Two heel petals. Two wings petals. Right, next. Two gate petals. Okay, now let's. You have to write like this one. There is no changes.
Okay.
Is it clear? Right.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. You're welcome. Next, the floral diagram. Now I have to draw the diagram. Later we will discuss about the remaining characters.
Inflorescence are stems, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, mother axis means inflorescence are stems, sir.
Inflorescence.
Inflorescence axis are stems, sir.
That inflorescence axis is the means the peduncle. The inflorescence is racemose. Stem is differ from the reproductive part.
Yes, sir. Sir, then mother axis is which one, sir?
Mother axis, which type of inflorescence is present in Fabaceae?
Racemose.
Racemose inflorescence.
Christmas.
Racemose inflorescence means of the flowers. What is that stalk of the inflorescence? Peduncle.
Peduncle.
They do not terminate with a flower.
Yes, very good.
They arrange in acropetal order.
Not with the flower, right? Several flowers.
Flowers grow laterally.
Arranged laterally. Acropetal order. The first form of flowers are present towards the base. Younger ones are present towards the apex. So, in this inflorescence, this is a racemose inflorescence. Towards the axis, towards the axis, inflorescence axis. Towards the inflorescence axis side, floral axis side, inflorescence axis side of the flower is called mother axis. Mother axis. Next, opposite side, opposite to the mother axis side of the flower. Towards mother axis means it's that's denoted as in floral diagram. Mother axis is denoted as a dot above top of the floral diagram. Mother axis means towards the floral axis of the flower. Opposite side of the flower. Mother axis side is posterior side. Then opposite side of that flower, anterior side. So mother axis is not a stem. It's not a stem.
Yes,
In a
sir.
racemose type of the inflorescence.
Understood, sir.
Right. First, draw the outline of the floral diagram.
Sir, what about the fruit and seeds, sir?
Yes, sir.
About the fruit, sir.
Yes, later we will discuss about this. After this completion of the floral diagram, fruit and characteristics of fruits and seeds. Right? First, draw the outline of the floral diagram in Fabaceae family. How many sepals are there? How many sepals are there in a flower?
Sepals.
5 sepals, right?
5 sepals.
Very good. 5 sepals. Among have you drawn the outline? One minute. One. Here I drawn how many sepals?
5 sepals.
One sepal, two sepal, yes. Third sepal, fourth sepal, five sepals. Okay, so 5 sepals are there. So the 5 sepals are fused, do not overlap on each other. Do not overlap on each other. So what is the estimation? This estimation
1 meter indicate.
in this diagram in Pisum sativa, they do not overlap on its wall weight. What is this dot is indicate?
Mother axis.
Mother axis. How many petals? How many petals are present in corolla?
5.
What is the next one? 5. Petals among the 5 petals, one is the largest petal. One is the largest petal. Two keel petals are attached with each other. Two keel petals are attached with each other. Fused. Have we completed this? What is the estimation in
Yes, sir, completed.
Auxiliary estimation.
Maxillary or poplinaceous. Right. Next, androecium. How many stamens are there in androecium?
10 stamens.
10.
10 stamens. Right.
9 fused, 1 free.
Yes. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven.
Sir, they are all present in the same oral, sir.
Yes, same order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are they free or fused with each other?
Sir, 9 are fused, 1 is free.
Yes, 9 fused. Nine fused with each other. It indicates the fusion of the filaments. And remaining one is the free or fused.
Free.
Is free. How many carpels are there in gynoecium?
1.
One carpel. Placentation, where the vowels are attached. Margin. So this is it indicates that vowel cavity,
Margin.
the vowels are attached at the margin. Several vowels are there, right? Here I drawn one vowel in this diagrammatic, and this the 10 stamens are there. Among the 10 stamens, the 9 stamens filaments are fused to form one bundle, and remaining the stamen is the free. This is a 9 plus 1 arrangement. It's a floral diagram of a Pisum sativum of Fabaceae family. The 5 sepals are there, valvate estivation, 5 petals are there. Petals are exhibit the papillinear maxillary estivation. In androecium, 10 stamens are there. Among the 10 stamens, 9 are fused to form one bundle, and remaining one is free. The gynoecium is consist of one carpel, monocarpellary, and vowels are attached at marginal placentation. Okay, no? It's clear. Do you have any doubts regarding this today's session? The next class we will discuss about the remaining characters, Fabaceae and the Solanaceae family. Right now?
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, right. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Bye.